not going to constantly be going one, check one, are you? You're going to be like, Ollie L was a dick. Sometimes.
I really just walked in the room.
We're just doing some sound tests, mate.
Look, love, just save it for the show, all right?
Sorry, I was just giving an example of what might be said on the show.
That will not be said on the show. I've never once been called a dick on my own show.
Yes, you
and it will
have.
happen to...
Careful now. You're getting overexcited.
You've got him all flustered.
I just got a bit excited. Right.
Just do a little bit of check 1 2 1 2.
Run some music, Ollie. Run some music, mate.
Want some music? Well, now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my God, we've got a new setup and I still haven't got a f***ing shoulder. I will be whinging about this from the kickoff.
I've already said, like, just shuffle a bit more this way then.
I have literally sacrificed my shoulder for your girlfriend.
Just shuffle a bit more this way then.
I'm not going to use...
Ollie, you're the one that's in control of how far you are into the shot or not. I didn't sit you there purposely, did I?
Maybe I like whinging about it.
Yeah, I know you love whinging about it. You love whinging about everything more than I do.
Yeah.